Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You begin by securing the essentials: a 60 FPS camera and a tracking sensor. This reduces motion jitter and keeps perspective stable. Once done, configure camera to 1080p or 4K and set shutter to about 1/120. That smooths motion. Make sure to calibrate the tracker to the subject, because good tracking prevents drift later. Also, position consistent lighting and mark actor spots in a 16:9 frame so virtual and real layers align accurately during capture. You now synchronize and capture everything needed for compositing. First, enable Genlock or a visible clap to create a timecode reference. This ensures audio, camera, and sensor streams align. Then record RGB plus depth or IMU data together. Keep consistent file names and timestamps to avoid confusion. Once recording, preview live feeds to detect occlusion or reflections. If you see dropouts, tweak lighting and camera angles so the virtual elements will later slot into the real footage without popping or misalignment. You finish by compositing and rendering with care. Match color grading, correct lens distortion, and integrate depth passes so virtual objects sit convincingly. Once done, export using alpha or matte channels and select a codec that preserves transparency. If you notice tracking drift or jitter in the final render, pause and resolve the tracking using reference frames or apply targeted frame-by-frame manual fixes for problem segments. One key tip: if persistent drift happens, rerun tracker calibration and compare solved markers to the original capture.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.